third one. If A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals 3, 4, 5, 6, C equals 5, 6, 7, 8, and D 7, 8, 9, 10. The given A, the given B, the given C, the given D, we have to calculate all these 8. Let us solve one by one. Okay, the given A, B, C, and D. Now, first one, A union B. Yes, A. Write all the elements of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next elements of B. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 repeat, avoid. 4 repeat, avoid. 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is A union B. Next to A union C andre first to A nodi, next C nodi. Right, these elements repeat adre baribedi. Right, only one time. Baribedi alla, only one time. Okay. A. First A 1, 2, 3, 4. ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯ ಕಾಮ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ 5, 6, 7, 8 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್ 5, 6, 7, 8. That is A union C. Okay. Next third one, B union C. Right, B nodi, C nodi. B, C. Okay. B, first B ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Flower bracket 3, 4, 5, 6. ಆಮೇಲೆ C 5, 6 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 7, 8 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 7, 8. ಸೊ B union C equals. Next B union D. Take B and D. ಅವೆರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ B ಬರೀರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ B? ಓಕೆ 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 B ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ D 7, 8, 9, 10 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 7, 8, 9, 10. Next fifth one, A union B union C. Union of all the three sets. A node, B, C. ಇವು ಮೂರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವು ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಬರೆದುಬಿಡಿ. ಎ 1, 2, 3, 4. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಬಿ 3, 4 ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು 5, 6. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. 5, 6 ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಬಿಟ್ಬೇಡ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು 7, 8. That's all. This is the union of all the sets A, B, C. Next one, sixth one. A union B union D. A node, B node, D node. ಮೂರು ಸೆಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. Avoid repetition. Write all the elements of the three sets A, B and D. Repeat ಆದರೆ one time ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Yes. First A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next B set B. B set 3, 4 repeat. Mikid 5, 6. Next D 7, 8, 9, 10. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Write all the elements. 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one, that is B union C union D. B, take B set. C, take C set. Take D set. Write the elements of B, C, D. Avoid repetition. Repetition now one time ಬರಿಬೇಕು. First B 3, 4, 5, 6. Next C, set C 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6 repeat. Remaining 7, 8. Next to D 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8 repeat, remaining 9, 10. 9, 10. This is B union C, union D. The union of two sets is over. Now we shall move on to intersection of two sets. Intersection is also one of the operations of a sets. Yes, let us start intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of those elements which belongs to both A and B. So before going to definition, first take some example. Example madhu tagolana. Next we shall move on to definition. Yakendre easy agutte, clean gotagutte. Okay? Yes. Let us take example. A equals 1, 2, 3. B equals 3, 4, 5. Now we have to write a intersection of two sets. A intersection B equals. Intersection means we have to write the common elements of both the set. 1, 2, no, 3, yes. So write 3. This is called intersection. Intersection of two sets is also a set, which is the common element present in both A and B. Now comes to definition. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B. Both. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. 3 is present in both A and B. Therefore, this is the intersection. Suppose ಇದೇ question A union B ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, then 1, 2, 3, 3 repeat, don't write one time, next 4, 5. This is union. Union means we have to write all the elements. Avoid repetition one time. But here intersection means common. Common means the element present in both the sets. Illi we have to write all the elements. Avoid of writing repetition. That is, the repetition must be once. So intersection means common element. The elements which are present in both the sets. Union means we have to write all the elements. ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ you have to write only one time. That is the difference between intersection and union. Symbolically, we write A intersection B equals X, means some element such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. For intersection and irutte, for union R or R irutte. Either present in A or in B, that is union. Intersection present both in A and also in B, that is intersection. Okay, the symbol for intersection, this is the symbol intersection. Symbolically we write A intersection B. ಓದಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A intersection B, ಅದೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A reverse U B ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. This is about intersection. So simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ intersection of two sets ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ it is a intersection is a common elements from both the sets. Let us take next example. The next example is A equals ABCD. Second set B equals BCD. What is A intersection B? A intersection B equals common element. So A not present, leave it. B, yes, right. C, D is also repeated, therefore B, C, D. Yes, example ibane. A is ABCD, B is BCD, A intersection B equals BCD, means common element of both A and B. Here B, C and D are the three elements which are present in both A and B. A ಮತ್ತು B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ that is called intersection. Clear? Let us take problem. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and B equals 2, 3, 5, 7. Find A intersection B. Yes, A intersection B. Floor bracket, this is equals, okay. Intersection means we have to write the common elements present in both A and B. 1 common illa, 2 is common, present in both the sets, 3, okay, 5, okay, 6 is not present, 7 present in both the sets. This is the intersection. So common elements present in both the sets is called intersection. Next, take second one. If A equals, B equals, C equals and D equals, find all these. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಐದರ್ 1 or 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ 2 ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ, ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. A intersection B means take A and take B. We have to write intersection means common element. So 3 not present, 5 not present, 7 present, 9 present, 11 present. That's all. 13 A nal illa. So 7, 9, 11 are the common elements from both A and B. That is the intersection of two sets. Next, take second one, B intersection C. Take B. Here, take C. Common element from both B and C. Check madi. So 7 illa, 9 illa, 11 yes. 11, 13 present. So 11 and 13 are the two elements present in both B and C. This is the intersection. One, A intersection C, intersection D. Take A, take C and take D. ಮೂರು ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವೀಗ. ಟೇಕ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 sets. ಇವು ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 sets? 3 ನೋ, 5 no, 7 no, 9 no, 11 yes present, 11 absent. So 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 5 ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. 7 is not present in all the sets, means all A, C, D. 9 no, 11 is not present in C, not in D. Therefore there is no intersection, means it is a null set or empty set. Fourth one, A intersection C. Take A, take C. Common from these 2 sets equals 3 no, 5 no, 7 no, 9 no, 11 yes. 11 is present in both A and C. Therefore A intersection C is 11. Only one element. Next, take B intersection D. So take B. Take D. So B nodo, D nodi. Any common? Yes. 7 no, 9 no, 11 no, 13 no. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು B ಮತ್ತು D ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore the intersection is null set or pi. Means there is no common. Both B and D are disjoint. Disjoint means common illa. So they are disjoint. Sixth one, we have to calculate A intersection B union C. First ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ B union C ಕಂಡುಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ A intersection ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So A as it is, A ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. Write A. What is A? I will write here A means 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is A. Intersection write intersection as it is, B union C. Now take B and C, union means we have to write all the elements of B and C, repetition only once. B ಮತ್ತೆ C ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ B, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ C. B 7 9 11 13, union C 11 repeated, okay, 13 don't write repeated, 15 write 15. Now we have to calculate the intersection of these two sets. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 no, 5 no, 7 yes common, write 7. 9 yes, 9 is common from both the sets. 11 yes, write 11 okay. 13 not present. 15 is present in this second set but not in first set, therefore 7 9 11 is the value. Next we have to calculate A intersection D. Take A and take D. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಮನ್, yes. 3 no, 5 no, 7 no, 9 no, 11 no. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, therefore it is a empty set. Eighth one, A intersection B union D. Write A as it is, intersection B union D. We have to write all the elements of B and D, repetition once. 7 okay, 9 okay, 11 13 15 and 17. What is A? Write A. A means I will write here 3 5 7 9 11. Intersection 7 9 11 13 15 17. We have to write the common element from these two sets. Common 3 no, 5 no, 7 yes. We will write here 7 9 okay, 11. This is the answer. Next last one, A intersection B union C. First take A and B, okay, floor bracket set. A intersection B, A node B node, common element 3 no, 5 no, 7 yes, 9 yes common, 9 okay, 11. 7 9 11 are present in both A and B, that is the intersection of A intersection B. Next write intersection symbol. Now take B is there, and C is there. We have to write union means all the elements of B and C, yes. 7 9 11 13, then C 11 repeated, don't write, 13 repeats, no time, then 15. Now take intersection of these two sets. 7 common, yes, 9 is common, right, 11 right, that's all. So this is the value of this problem.